Good morning, students. Grade 6 students, please take out your workbooks and turn to page number 66, Unit 11, Eco-Friends. Page number 66, Unit 11, Eco-Friends. This lesson is found in your workbooks. Eco-Friends. The meaning of eco-friends are not harmful to the environment, environment-friendly, nature-friendly, earth-friendly. So there is an activity. Circle the names of the young animals given below. Puppy, duckling, piglet, nestling, lamb, kitten, calf. Activity 2. Make sentences. Example, the young duck is called a duckling. The young pig is called a piglet. The young cat is called a kitten. The young dog is called a puppy. The young cow is called a calf. The young sheep is called a lamb. The young bird is called a nestling. Now, let's look at activity 3. Are you an eco-friend? Do you agree with the following sentences? Tick the correct ones. I grow flowers. Tick. I water them. Tick. I clean the garden. Tick. I like gardening. Tick. I switch off the light before leaving a room. Tick. I don't spit everywhere. I am an eco-friend. I like gardening. I have a beautiful garden with lots of flowers. I like to spend most of my time in the garden. My mother also helps me in gardening. So, kids, I hope you are an eco-friend too. Let's see activity 4. Look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. Can you see there is a picture of a giraffe, an owl, a butterfly, a rabbit, an ostrich, a zebra. Now question 1. Name a bird. It cannot fly. Ostrich. Name 2 animals. They eat only plants. Rabbit, zebra. Name the tallest animal. Giraffe. Name a bird. It can see very well in the dark. An owl. Name a beautiful insect. A butterfly. Activity 5. Group activity. Form groups. Make a book on general knowledge on animals, birds, flowers and trees. That's very easy. You can find out information from the internet and do it with your friends. So, grade 6 students, we did Unit 11, Eco-Friends, page number 66, Activity 1, Activity 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, let's look at the textbook. Please take out your textbooks. Turn to page number 111, Unit 11, Eco-Friends. There is a role play. You need to read the role play and answer the following questions. The questions are: where did Hassan go on the weekend? What did he see there? Write a list of things that you should not do in a national park. Nature lovers. Page number 112. I am Pubudu Pereira. I am in grade 6. I like gardening and reading books in my free time. I have a small garden in my home. There are different types of vegetables and fruits in my garden. I work in the garden with my mother and father. We have a compost pile in our garden and we use only compost as fertilizer for the fruits and vegetables we grow. This way, we will not kill any of the animals and insects that helps the plants to grow in my garden. We enjoy picking the fresh fruits and vegetables from our garden. We also give some of these fruits and vegetables to our neighbors. When I grow up, I want to write a book on the importance of protecting the environment. That's a good thought. To write a book on the importance of protecting the environment. In activity 1, read the above text and list out what Pubudu and Raman like to do. Activity 2. Write a small paragraph about what you like to do in your free time. Kids, I encourage you to do this. Activity 3. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Enjoy, market, useful, reading, compost, fresh, write, art, essays, drawing. Number 1. I like to do useful activities. Number 2. I love to eat fresh vegetables. Number 3. Reading is a good hobby. Number 4. He writes good essays. Number 5. We enjoy picking fresh fruits and vegetables. He likes drawing pictures. Number 7. We have a compost pile in our garden. Number 8. My mother goes to the market. Number 9. Pubudu will write a book. Number 10. Raman hopes to have an art exhibition. So kids, today's lesson we looked at Unit 11, Eco Friends, page number 66 from the workbook. We did activity 1, 2, 3 and 4. Activity 5, it's a group activity. I suggest you make groups and do the book. It's very interesting. You need to make a book on birds, animals, flowers and trees. I suggest you make a book on birds. And in our textbook, we did Unit 11, Eco Friends, page number 101. You need to read the role play and answer the questions. Activity 1. Read the above text and list out what Pubudu and Raman like to do. Activity 2, write a small paragraph about what you like to do in your free time. And activity 3, fill in the blanks with the given words. We discussed from 1 to 10. So kids, in my next class, I will be discussing activity 4, 5, 6, 7 from the textbook, and from the workbook I will be discussing activity 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I hope you continue doing the workbook and textbook. In my next class, I hope to get connected to you. Till now, take care, be good, stay safe. Bye kids.